We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, as I've told you before and always said, I always look at your LCD. Yeah, when I say LCD, look at your phone, your tablet, your computer, your TV, or whatever electronics, whatever you're watching your video on. So right now you're looking at a man, the epitome of evil. Some people say we are trying to protect him because of our friends. Most of you don't understand or know yours truly. So that's why it's hard for you people. Figure me out, and which is fine. So Vybz Kartel, the ultimate friend killer, who orchestrated the death of his hitman captain at the hands of Jackie. You're going to hear about that. So, as we said before and we say again, there's no honest criminal. None. There's no honest criminals, there are no honest liars. So only fools would believe a killer or a liar are criminals. None. Because you have to understand the first rule or the first requirement to be a criminal, you have to be dishonest. So the cunning and wicked ways of Vybz Kartel, how we master the art of betrayal and murder. The story of Vybz Kartel is not just one music and fame. It is a dark and sinister tale of manipulation, betrayal and cold-blooded murder. A man whose cunning ways knew no bounds. Kartel had an uncanny ability to turn friends into pawns, using them to further his own criminal empire, only to discard them when they became liabilities. The way he orchestrated the deaths of his close associates, setting them up to be killed by rivals or allies, exposes his unmatched ability to exploit loyalty and wield betrayal as a weapon. Among Kartel's many allies was Wayne Porter, also known as John Wayne. Yeah man, Porter was no stranger to the underworld. John Wayne, a carousing, bonkers, career criminal who play a pivotal role in carrying out some of the most brutal attacks in Kartel's network, from aligning with the Klansman gang, you understand? So, to orchestrating massacre of Mikey Pelpor's brother at a dance in Waterford, so these were the testament of bloody alliance he shared with Kartel. Yet, as history has shown, no one close to Kartel was ever truly safe. Kartel's twisted playbook, setting friends up for death, Kartel modus operandi, was chilling as it was effective. He would foster close relationships with those who could serve his agenda, offering them power and protection while exploiting their loyalty. But as soon as they outlive their usefulness or pose a threat, Kartel's cunning mind, them say my silver fox, would go to work. His tragedy often involved setting his target up to be killed by rivals or other associates, creating a chain of bloodshed while keeping his own unseemingly clean. So one famous example is how he orchestrated the killer is Hitman, Captain. Captain, a key enforcer in Kartel's operation, became a victim of the very system he upheld. Kartel masterfully arranged for another associate, Jackie, to carry out the hit Once the deed was done, Kartel wasted no time spinning the narrative in his favor, fleeing to the Waterford police station and pretending to be the target of an assassination attempt. This move not only deflected suspicion but also painted him as a victim in the eyes of law enforcement. A perfect example of his manipulative genius. Real silver fox. So the trail of blood, rivalry and calculated chaos, Kartel's strategy extend far beyond killing his own allies. He understood the power of rivalry and used it to sow chaos by setting up his friends to be killed by rival factions. He not only eliminated threats but also deepened divisions among his enemies. This approach was evident in the slaughter of Mikey Pelpal's brother, a calculated move that destabilizes alliances and further entrenched Kartel position at the top of the criminal food chain. So we tell you about that today. You're going to hear, because as we tell you, we have him file them, you know. So the case of Jackie further exemplify Kartel's deadly tactics. After using Jackie to eliminate Captain, Kartel then sent him on another mission in Portsmouth, St. Catherine. This time, Jackie's order was to kill one target, but his recklessness led to the death of 4 individuals. Kartel, ever the opportunist, decided that Jackie had become a liability. And yet, in another act of betrayal, he called Jomo, yeah man, in a Christian pen, to eliminate Jackie while he's unsuspectedly repair his bike. A brutal and orchestrated by the very man he had loyal serve. So this man who killed Jomo, yeah man. So after Jomo, after them kill Jackie, I tell you, yeah, then it was Jomo term. So him use a man who's in America right now, them called Short Man. Yeah, and him have presidential click tattoo upon him and 100-man police in a look for him. So he's the one that killed Jackie. Yeah man. Him have a tattoo upon him and him come from Tivoli Garden, a labor right. Short man. Him have to run away. Because after Sharpman had killed Jackie, he got the policeman named Desmond Brown to kill Sharpman. When Sharpman reached him here, Desmond Brown himself fall asleep in him car, the policeman who was supposed to kill him after him had killed Jackie. So Sharpman run away. Then he was able to get the same policeman, Desmond Brown, and another man, yeah man, Desmond Brown, the same policeman, criminal. I tell you, hey, we don't want no beef in a guy, and we're not afraid of no one, because we don't want no guy nothing. No guy not a secret for because we're not a criminal, we don't rob people. And everything we do, we play by the rules. Yeah man, we believe in a rule of law. Criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. Yes. So, as we tell you before and we say again, you understand? So him get Desmond Brown and Stokey to kill Jomo. Yeah man, them kill Jomo and left him pan. Same policeman Desmond Brown, him and Stokey and them kill Jomo. Allegedly, you understand? So Wayne Porter's loyalty in the deadly game cannot be understated. His action alongside Kartel were pivotal in some of the most infamous crime attributed to Kartel's circle. From working with the Klansman gang, Nevada, Edges and all of these people. So him become a part of it. With them slaughter the people them in the dance. So Vybz Kartel's story is a chilling reminder of how loyalty is double-edged. It's a double-edged sword. In the world of crime, his cunning ability to manipulate those closest to him, setting them up for violent deaths while maintaining an air of innocence, in a testament of his dark genius. As more details of his crimes come to light, the full extent of his betrayal and the wickedness will continue to shock and horrify those who dare to delve into his sinister world. So this tale is far from over. There are more revelation to come, and exposing the depth of Kartel's criminal empire and the fates of those who dare to stand by his side. So stay tuned as we uncover the complete story of our cartel, Vybz Kartel, the ultimate friend killer, built his empire on the foundation of blood, betrayal, and deceit. We not stop tell you because, hey, over there, you know, to tell you the real mama papa truth. So when a guy talks, like, you know, so boy, you're on cartel payroll, really? Alright, tell him to show the receipt. So I will tell you already, Vybz Kartel is the ultimate friend killer. This man orchestrated the death of his hitman captain at the hands of Jackie. Vybz Kartel, known as one of Jamaica's most controversial dancehall artists, have often been accused of treachery within his inner circle. The story highlights a chilling example of how he allegedly set up and his trusted hitman captain to be eliminated by another associate, Jackie. The narrative exposes Kartel's calculated betrayal and manipulation, showing how he orchestrated events to turn allies against each other. So it serves as a grim reminder of how loyalty is fleeting in the world built on crime, deception, and self-preservation. So this revelation pulls back the curtain on the dark underbelly of Kartel's operation, further solidify his reputation as not just a musical icon, but also a figure enmeshed in a web of betrayal and violence. So we are going to expand upon it, you know. So a chilling saga of betrayal, murder, and deceit, Vybz Kartel, a name synonymous with music, dancehall music and controversy, as a dark and sinister legacy. His lyrical prowess, dubbed the ultimate friend killer, Kartel web of betrayal and murder, reveals a chilling depth to his criminal exploit. This story unravels how Kartel orchestrated the death of those closest to him, manipulated his allies into carrying out violent acts, and cunningly evaded blame by crafting elaborate allies. The setup betrayed Captain, one of Kartel's trusted enforcer. What a man wicked. That's why I tell a man, you know. What most people don't understand, you know. The first trait of a criminal, you know, you have to be dishonest, you know. That you understand? Right? That dishonesty. So me don't know how a man claims say, boy, I'm a bad man. Everybody around here a criminal, and I like police work. You know what I'm saying? Or a soldier. Although you have criminal police and criminal soldiers too, we're not going to deny that. But man, so if I in the shocking act of treachery, Kartel masterminded his loyal hitman demise. The plan was uncalculated and it was cold-blooded. So we tell you about all of them things. Kartel instructed another associate, Jackie, to kill Captain. This was no random act of violence. It was meticulously planned, execution style. Once Jackie carried out the murder, Kartel immediately fled the scene in a master stroke of manipulation. He ran to Waterford police station from Third World, feigning to be a victim of an assassination attempt. And then, you know, so the dummy them bite, you know. Everybody in the dance say a Jackie killed Captain. And Jackie and Kartel are friend. And Captain. And them still loyal to him, you know. If you say nothing about Kartel, you know, them say I'm dead if you're dead, you know. So not content with the death of Captain, Kartel unleashed even more chaos. He sent Jackie on another mission. And the instruction was simply to eliminate one target. And we'll tell you all about that. You understand? And his growing role in Kartel operation, or out of sheer recklessness, went beyond his orders. He slaughtered 4 individuals, instead leaving a trail of blood and terror in its wake. So if you even remember that killing, a Portsmouth, you hear a youth did come on upon it. Yeah, man, a theme father did dead on him. Say him know who kill him father. You see, we're telling now, the youth, the drug dealer with America, him, and all of him on the area, we're telling you who him, and tell him name. Because him say Kartel after dead. We're telling some more people now, we come to the fore. I'll even an ex-policeman. When me and him come from the same place in a Waterford. Amount of M16 when they buy up on all of them things. Him son, him kill him son over in one of them plaza there, greater Portmore. And he move out all of him family. He's a man, me and him trade. Me I seen a police him, but the man they are criminal, you know. Him come from right behind the road where me come from a Waterford. Me never know the man that tell me a police, but him know me. Because when him come and me, him see me, him say, wait, I'm Chris. I say, where you know me from? And him tell me, say, hey, you know, I support a son and this and that. And him I say, oh, yeah, and genuine, because I say, okay. Because I never mix up with people when I grow. That's why them still not like me. Yeah, you understand? So in a move that underscore cartel ruthlessness, remember I say him and Jomo, you know. Jomo wasn't him friend, you know. But I saw them going criminal, them licky, you know. So at the heart of every criminal, especially those operate at the level of cunning and betrayal, exhibit by individual like cartel lies a singular defining trait: selfishness. This selfishness is not an ordinary desire to prioritize oneself, but a deeply ingrained and relentless drive to place personal gain, survival, or power above all else, no matter the cost to others. A criminal's selfishness manifests in their willingness to exploit trust, betrayal, allies, and manipulative situation for their benefit. Friends become pawns, loyalty becomes leverage, and the human lives become expendable commodities. The trait overrides empathy, integrity, and even basic human decency, leaving a trail of destruction in its wakes. Understanding this trait is crucial not only for those seeking combat criminal behavior, but also for communities and society striving to protect themselves. It serves as a reminder that the actions of such individuals are driven by an insatiable hunger for control and self-preservation, making them dangerous not just to their enemies but to anyone who gets too close. So in the world of crime, selfishness is both the foundation and the fuel, and the consequence ripple far beyond immediate victims, poisoning the entire community. I remember, you know, there's no honest criminal. Yeah, there's no honest criminals. None. We always remember that. So all you hear people attack and them thing there. And boy, I'm a G. Because most of them don't have sense. I tell you that. So recognizing this trait, the first step towards breaking the cycle of violence and deceit. Status, criminal, that are them status, them selfishness, that mean status. And it sustains criminal enterprises. Dishonesty is the hallmark of a criminal. Dishonesty is not just a trait of criminals, it is their cornerstone. To be a criminal is to operate in a realm where lies are currencies and deception is second nature. There is no honest criminal. None, because criminality itself thrives on the distortion of truth, the concealment of intentions, and the manipulation of others to achieve self-serving goals. So that's why we tell you that criminals operate in a darkness. Them not want to be on that light. Them say, don't look here, no, look over there. So don't worry, because many of them up on YouTube. Some of them people glorify, revere, rather than celebrate as gods. From small-time thieves to orchestrators of grand conspiracies, dishonesty permeates every layer of their actions. A criminal must lie to their victims, deceive their allies, and mislead the authorities. This web of deceit ensures their survival and sustain their illicit activities, making honesty an impossibility in their world. Dishonesty allows criminals to manipulate trust by appearing trustworthy. They lure victims into vulnerable position or maintain alliances, and they ultimately betray them. Criminals evade accountability. Lies are used to cover tracks, deflect blame, and shift suspicion onto others. So that's why them say, hey, don't look over here and look there. How dare you if I talk about him when him fight against crime, but him a criminal too, you know. So make that make sense. Because through them a fight against criminal, where them make you not like, but you know to say are the real criminal them. So them control the narrative. Through deception, they create illusions of loyalty and strength, are victim of to serve their agenda. This unrelenting dishonesty erodes not only their character, but also the fabric of society. Spreading distrust and fear, it is a powerful reminder that their That integrity and criminality cannot coexist. A life of crime demands a commitment to dishonesty, leaving no room for truth or honor. To confront and dismantle criminal enterprises, society must first recognize and address this defining hallmark of their behavior. Dishonesty is a thread that weaves their operations together, and pulling it can unravel even the most complex criminal networks. So as we said before and we say again, there's no honest criminals. And we don't want no criminal supporter, enabler, or sympathizers over here. The Jamaica Young Police Channel stands alone. I would say when we say that without any apologies. We are the one who expose all of the criminals them in a PMP criminal organization. We are the one that tell the Jamaican people that the PMP is a criminal organization. We are the one that told the Jamaican people that the PMP is a LGBTQ plus party. We are the ones who told the Jamaican people that the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, along with the fraud, the foreigner Mark Golding, from Dayton Campbell, Ian Eels, Julian Robinson, former FBI agent Wilfred Rattigan, Captain Rupert Francis, Herbert Nelson, Wayne Uglesom, that I man when he look like some mash up old pum pum when I no use. We mash up that ring that were un-American style, demonstrating against the Jamaican government and the Jamaican people, as if the GLP government is only them are only Jamaican. PMP are not Jamaican, them are criminals. We expose them and dismantle that network. So that's why we are the most hated YouTuber, because we're a big friend. We are the one who expose them even more with the last thing by showing you that Mark Golding is not a Jamaican by birth. And you hear him, you can see him worried because he realize that we get him. Because this is personal to we. When we say personal, a them mash up my community, a them bring gun in my community, PMP, criminal organization, liberate everybody used to live good in a Jonestown. And them come there and divide the people them and create this cancer, this rat where destroy the people. And Mark Golding, your man come there and reinforce it. The death of Sweeney and Rum Punch by charge of badness, who stay in New York, New Jersey, and orchestrate the killing of these people and cause these people to be homeless. That's the thing we fuel everything that you say I've been doing, because that's something I fight against. So those of you who hate me, I say bravo to you. You continue your criminal life. But look here, remember, over here we don't serve sympathy coffee, sympathy tea, sympathy breakfast, lunch, dinner and supper. And you won't get any sympathy water either. Champagne, beer or soda. All we give you the real mama papa truth and some real bitters. And we give you a ticket straight to the departure lounge. If so be it. Because if you come to take our life, guess what? We are going to defend it. So we don't care when a guy wants to say about we and what we do as old police in Jamaica. We do everything by the law. Because we respect the rights of everyone. And we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. That's why the criminals them can rain down terror on the Jamaican people. Because guess what? We have we have one criminal organization who don't care about UNO, which is the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. And then you have a GLP government in which the leader have been all the matter take advice on people who are criminals. If the detective they were on the streets, we don't have all of these mass murders. We are telling you that. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you that. Because detective jobs are to protect life and property, prevent and detect crime. So they would be there anytime the criminals are about to commit crime to end their reign of terror right there and send them straight to the departure lounge. I will say before, I will say again, there's no honest criminal. Vybz Kartel is the epitome of evil. And those of you who are talking about I am trying to save his life because of my cousin. As I said before and I say again, this channel, it's not about revenge. We're all about saving lives. And I just saw it go. So my friends who have been saying all of this, and will come out already and say it, and we're not going to say it again. If we know so somebody will kill him and we have information, we'll make them know. Or if we don't make them kill him and phone no rejoice. And that's it. You understand what I'm saying? Make them kill him and we don't know. But if we know, we are going to talk. I will tell you already, say the phone a two-way radio. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.